new episode of Celebrity Face Talk Show. She's tall, she's sexy, she's got what it takes. She's known for her controversies and her charisma. With great pride, with lots of love, and with loads of emotions, I'd like to call on Divya Agarwal. Okay, Divya, I've lined a few questions for you to answer. So, shall we begin?
Yes, please.
Okay. So, get ready, cause we are starting with the most controversial reality show.
Which is Big Boss. Why? Why? पूछिए मैडम.
Let's have it.
Like your best friend, your own best friend screwing you. Not good.
Not good?
Not good.
It's not a good feeling. Okay. Did you like Priyanka and Binafsha's friendship before and after Big Boss?
First, I have to figure it out whether it's friendship or not. Then I'll answer.
You're really not clear if it's friendship or not?
No.
Okay. Have your thoughts changed after Binafsha came out and gave statements and also tried making calls to you and, just she tried clearing it out that there was really nothing between Priyank and Binafsha?
See, I also hail from a reality show background. I know कि उसमें बहुत editing होती है. I know the things which are shown there are somewhere partially true, partially made up.
Okay.
But then there were few actions and few statements which were very clearly made right from like 0 to 100. एक statement होता है, the entire statement was made and it was like, I don't know, it was quite evident. तो पता नहीं कि एकदम से deny कर देना सब कुछ and then first of all the problem with them is defining the relationship. कभी भाई, कभी friend, कभी boyfriend से ज़्यादा अच्छे. तो मतलब ये सारे जो statements थे.
But correct me if I'm wrong, Binafsha ने ये statement of the bro term तभी दिया है जब वो घर से बाहर आई है. उससे पहले तो कभी नहीं दिया.
Exactly. तो चीज़ें ऐसी हुई हैं जिससे मेरा जो गुस्सा है वो escalate हुआ है धीरे धीरे and it's just not Binafsha actually the reason. There are many other reasons also. I see quite a lot of change in Priyanka.
So Priyank's actions have given you all of this confusion. Is it true?
Yes, I was confused, so I made a decision and
Took a step.
Like, because तुम confusion में हो एक relationship में तो फिर I don't know. For me, clarity is the most important thing in a relationship. And when you don't have a clarity, I don't find.
So you finally announced that you guys are no more together.
Yeah, like unfortunately yes, because yeah, whatever was going on in Big Boss, जितना confusion दिख रहा था मुझे, तो in a relationship if there's no clarity, so there's no point staying in a relationship honestly. So somewhere down the line I felt मेरी self respect की बात है. Somewhere down the line I was and there was nothing to get insecure honestly.
Yeah.
पर एक चीज़ होती है that you know it, when you are losing your self respect, there's something wrong with it.
Yeah.
तो जब वो feeling आ जाती है ना, then I think that is the time when you should take a stand for yourself. See यार, Kritika, it was very much for me. I've been into this modeling, acting.
Yeah, that was your before Splitsvilla career.
Before Splitsvilla, quite a lot. Like 3 years तक का journey था मेरा. Splitsvilla से पहले, I've been already doing all this, and I joined Splitsvilla with the hope that I'll have a good jerk in the career. ऊपर जाएगा थोड़ा सा about the career or about I wasn't expecting love life in Splitsvilla at all.
So it just luckily happened to you.
Luckily, unluckily, I have no idea. But मतलब जब मैंने Splitsvilla enter भी किया था, on the very first day I had told Priyank that I don't believe in love, I don't believe in all this.
You all saw that.
So yeah, so when so for me Splitsvilla was like a chance to my career where people would know me, people would know the real me, they'll see my good sides,
True.
they'll see my bad sides.
True.
So I had joined the show with that intention.
Okay.
And show में पहुंचने के बाद तो everything went upside down. शो से बाहर निकलने के बाद जो उल्टा पुल्टा था वो ज़्यादा उल्टा हो गया. So things were very haywire.
Show तक सब कुछ smooth था.
Of course yes. शो के काफ़ी टाइम बाद तक काफ़ी टाइम तक smooth था. काफ़ी टाइम. I was feeling very lucky that it happens very less on a reality show where people come out with genuine feelings.
Or maybe with a serious relationship for future.
Yeah. So I was very happy with that part. Okay, so whatever happened at least was was very true.
So are you really wishing कि वो बाहर आए, कुछ clear होए, कोई hopes हैं?
See, the whole point is मुझे पता है वो मना लेता है मुझे हर बार. And this time I'm not even looking for him because अगर वो मेरे सामने आएगा मुझे मना लेगा, I don't know what I'll do.
You will melt down?
I have no idea. I just have no idea. It's like आज मैंने Splits का episode देखा again.
Sunday, the new episode.
The new episode, and then when I see us together, I'm a big fan of Divyank. Honestly,
Oh yeah. So
like
am I.
it looks so beautiful. तो वो देखती हूँ and then फिर I switch on my TV. Colors पे चली जाती हूँ 9 बजे, and then I see a different Priyank. So I don't know honestly. So this time when he comes out, I don't know what will be my reaction towards him.
Okay.
And मैंने decide करके रखा है मैं उसे देखूंगी ही नहीं. I won't even look at it.